Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibdoge. Now, can Shibdoge hit 1,000,000% to 10 million? But let's focus on 1,000,000%. Now, Shibdoge sees itself as the next Shiba Inu. Shibdoge is trying to bring two great enemies, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, together as one. That is where the name is coming from, Shibdoge. Now they believe Shibdoge and believe that if they can get 1% to 5% of Shiba Inu and Dogecoin community to buy, to start holding, to start trading Shibdoge, this coin is already going to the moon. Now Shibdoge can hit 1,000,000% certain. They still have about 16 zeros. This coin is currently trading with about 16 zeros, okay, at the time of recording this. Now, with 16 zeros, yet this coin have gotten a market cap of almost $34 million, and the market cap have hit about $36 million. With 16 zeros, Shibdoge gained about $30 million market cap within 3 weeks. With 16 zeros, Shibdoge was able to get the attention of Ethereum Wells. That was last year when Ethereum Wells invested about $7.2 million on Shibdoge, making Shibdoge the #1 small cap coin on its list of wallets. Shibdoge's market cap then was about $5.6 and $6 million. With that, Shibdoge's market cap grew up and Shibdoge was able to rise more and hit a market cap of about $16 million. But finally, after few weeks, Ethereum Wells pull out, okay? With 16 zeros, Shibdoge from the beginning of 2023, from the first day of 2023, 1st of January, that was when Shibdoge started increasing in price. That was when people started bumping in money into Shibdoge. And since then, Shibdoge have maintained, for the first time, Shibdoge is maintaining a market cap of over $35 million and it still remains at over $30 million for weeks. With 16 zeros, Shibdoge have been able to attract Bitmap Exchange to list Shibdoge, L Bank to list Shibdoge. Shibdoge is now being listed on BKEX, on IndoEX. Shibdoge is being listed on Uniswap V2 and Uniswap V3. Now we believe this coin can still rise. Shibdoge can rise, and with the listing coming on, we believe that in fact Get.io, Crypto.com will be the next, because already the developers, the founders of Shibdoge have actually listed this coin. Now I believe this coin have that opportunity to hit 1,000,000% in future. Remember, we are not saying Shibdoge is hitting 1,000,000% this year, but in the future this coin can't. This coin have that capability of hitting 1 million or even more. Don't say it cannot be possible, because it was possible with Shiba Inu. In the late 2020, Shiba Inu started increasing in price. People were like, wow, Shiba Inu in 2021, Shiba Inu started pumping, massively increasing, and Shiba Inu hit millions of percent, creating a lot of millionaires. Some people even invested about $4,000 and ended up making about $5.7 billion. Now, Shiba Inu have already made a lot of millionaires, and I believe this coin is still going to rise. Now, Shiba Inu, not just Shiba Inu, let's talk about Solana. Solana began to rise in the late 2021, and we also, so in the late 2020, and in 2021, we also saw where Solana was. And so many coins flock in. I'll have to mention all them. So don't say Shibdoge cannot hit 1%. What Shibdoge just need is to get the support, is to get a great community which are not trying. What Shibdoge need is to get great listening. What Shibdoge need is to get more exchanges to list this coin. What Shibdoge need is also to destroy, is also to burn. They started with a burning of about 210 sextillion coins. Now Shibdoge have burned about 55% from the day Shibdoge was launched. I believe this coin, they have great plans. When I take a look at Shibdoge's roadmap, the roadmap stage 1, Shibdoge was able to follow that roadmap stage 1, and they were able to accomplish what they listed on roadmap stage 1. On roadmap stage 2, Shibdoge was able to also accomplish what they listed on roadmap stage 2, which they said they were working with Heartbeat, and they also achieved that dream. And now we are on roadmap stage 3, which they actually listed. Shibdoge will be getting listed by 3 major crypto exchanges, which is L Bank, Get.io, and Crypto.com. Right now, L Bank finally L Bank have listed Shibdoge. We will still have 2 to go. So you can see they are trying their best. They are achieving these dreams gradually, and I believe they have a great plan. Shibdoge is one of the best crypto small cap coin. In case you want to buy, you want to invest on Shibdoge, remember this video is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. And in case you want to invest what you can afford to lose. That is the golden rule. Invest what you can afford to lose. Once again, kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.